Be authentically you. That means showing up without apology, without shrinking, without pretending to be someone else. Too often we compare ourselves to others and think we need to look like them, speak like them, or succeed like them. But the truth is, your unique voice, your unique story, your unique path holds power that no one else can replace. Authenticity is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's about honoring your strengths, your quirks, even your flaws, because those pieces are what makes you real. When you are authentically you, you give permission for others to be authentic too. That is where true connection, true peace, and true strength are born. Being the best version of yourself doesn't mean being the loudest, the richest, or most popular. It means being aligned, living in a way that reflects your values, your purpose, and your truth. It's in the daily choices, choosing kindness when anger feels easy, choosing courage when fear whispers too loud, choosing growth even when comfort tempts you to stay the same. The best version of you shows up in small actions, how you treat yourself, how you love others, how you keep moving forward even when it's hard. Each day you are shaping your character, and when you live authentically, the best version of you naturally shines, not because you're trying to impress anyone, but because you're standing firmly in who you were always meant to be. So today, affirm this. I choose to be authentically me. I release the need to compare. I embrace the freedom of being myself. I am becoming the best version of me. Repeat. I am becoming the best version of me. I release the need to compare. I embrace the freedom of being myself. One step, one choice, one moment at a time. The world doesn't need a copy of someone else. The world needs your smile, your story, your light. Walk confidently in your authenticity. Celebrate your journey. And remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow, to shine, to stand in your truth. Be authentically you. Be the best version of yourself. That is your gift to the world. Have a great day.